BM English Speaking Radio Channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachati and I'm your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 194 of season 3. Today's word is gimmick. The meaning of gimmick is a trick or a device used to attract attention, publicity, or enhance business for a short-term purpose. With BM English Speaking Radio Channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word gimmick. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Gimmick is spelled as Gimmick. Gimmick is some short-term activity or a trick carried out by a business house or a professional to attract clientele and increase the business volume. For example, the gimmick of a lucky draw during the interval attracted huge crowds to the movie. Listen carefully how we can use the word gimmick in 8 different situations in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. An international toy company commenced operations in India. The company organized events involving cartoon characters in various malls. This gimmick really gave a breakthrough in terms of sales revenue. Moving on to example number 2 of 8. The builder arranged a tie-up with a bank to offer long-term home loans to the flat buyers. In addition, he announced a gift of a motorbike to every purchaser. This gimmick distinguished his offer from other builders and helped him accomplish the target. Example number 3 of 8. The town authority wanted to promote its beautiful villages as an agro-tourism spot. In this type of tourism, visitors stay at the farm amidst nature and experience the rural and agricultural life. They also tried a gimmick in terms of a food festival of local delicacies to attract the crowds. Let us understand example number 4 of 8. Mr. Nayak is the head of a training institute. He is not in favor of trying any gimmicks to increase the student enrollments. It is his strong belief that genuine and sincere teaching will win the loyalty of the students and that will help the institute to flourish. We train English learners in vocabulary development in our advanced English fluency course at our training centers in Mumbai. But don't you worry, if you don't stay in Mumbai, we have an online English fluency course for you too. To know more, visit our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com. Example number 5 of 8. The government's decision to lower taxes faced extreme criticism from the opposition. They termed it as a gimmick to influence the voters. Haven't we heard that before? Well, let us understand example number 6 of 8. The popular singer would randomly pick someone from the audience during his live shows and ask that person to join him on stage. This little gimmick added an element of thrill and anticipation to his performance, and the audience liked it very much. Moving on to example number 7 of 8. The TV and fridge dealer put up banners announcing zero-interest loans for purchase of products from their showroom. The profit was already covered by the dealer in the scheme, but it was not visible to the buyers. Hence, this gimmick appealed to the buyers and the scheme was a hit. Example number 8 of 8. The online clothing store announced a buy one, get one free scheme during Christmas. There was a condition that the minimum purchase must be worth rupees 5,000. Nevertheless, people were charmed by this gimmick and entire store's inventory was sold out. Today we learnt the word gimmick, which means a trick or a device used to attract attention, publicity, or enhance business for short-term purpose. Can you frame 3 sentences with gimmick and type in the comments box? We are waiting. We are sure this lesson has helped to improve your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the script of this episode and all our episodes from www.bmenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number 194 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be sharing 1 vocabulary episode daily at 6 am Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with a new word. Till then, take care.